Hello and welcome back to SephiaSpaces. Today we're exploring a modern forest retreat, a home that blends minimalist design with the raw beauty of nature. Surrounded by towering trees and peaceful greenery, this house offers a quiet escape from the noise of everyday life. Let's begin. Street view, opening shot. From a distance, the home emerges subtly from the forest, almost as if it belongs to the landscape itself. The dark exterior contrasts beautifully with the surrounding greenery, allowing the structure to feel grounded yet striking. Tall trees rise on every side, creating a natural frame that enhances the home's presence without overwhelming it. The stillness of the forest sets the tone, calm, quiet, and deeply immersive. There's no sense of intrusion here, only harmony between architecture and nature. Driveway. As we approach along a simple forest path, the experience feels intentional and slow. The ground beneath is natural, slightly uneven, adding to the authenticity of the setting. There are no harsh lines or overly designed elements, just a gentle path leading toward the home. The journey itself becomes part of the experience, allowing you to disconnect from the outside world and transition into a more peaceful environment. Front yard. The front yard is not traditionally defined, but rather an extension of the forest floor. Native plants, ferns, and natural textures surround the home, blending seamlessly into the environment. Instead of manicured lawns, the design embraces organic growth, allowing the house to feel like it has always been part of this place. It's a refreshing approach: minimal intervention, maximum harmony. Porch. The front deck acts as both a porch and a gathering space, elevated slightly above the ground. Clean lines and glass railings keep the view uninterrupted, allowing the forest to remain the focal point. Seating areas are thoughtfully placed, inviting you to sit, relax, and listen to the sounds of nature. This space feels open yet intimate, offering a perfect balance between exposure and comfort. Entryway. Stepping through the glass doors, the entryway immediately reveals the home's minimalist philosophy. There's a sense of openness and clarity, with natural materials and warm tones softening the modern design. Light filters in gently, creating a welcoming atmosphere. The transition from outside to inside feels seamless, as if the forest continues to exist within the home. Living room. The living room is centered around simplicity and connection. Large glass panels open up to the surrounding trees, turning the forest into a living backdrop. The furniture is minimal yet comfortable, allowing the space to breathe. Warm wood accents and soft lighting create a cozy atmosphere, especially as evening approaches. It's a place designed not just for living, but for experiencing the quiet beauty of the environment. Dining room. The dining area flows naturally from the living space, maintaining the open concept. Positioned to capture views of the outdoors, every meal here feels connected to nature. The design is understated, focusing on clean lines and natural textures. It's a space that encourages slow dining, meaningful conversations, and a deeper appreciation of simple moments. Kitchen. The kitchen reflects a perfect balance between function and design. Sleek cabinetry, subtle finishes, and integrated appliances keep the space clean and uncluttered. Natural light enhances every surface, making the kitchen feel bright and inviting. Despite its modern aesthetic, there's a warmth here that makes it feel like the true heart of the home. Pantry. Hidden yet accessible, the pantry provides additional storage while maintaining the minimalist look of the kitchen. Everything is organized and thoughtfully arranged, allowing for efficiency without sacrificing design. It's a quiet but essential part of the home's functionality. Bedroom. The bedroom is a sanctuary of calm. Surrounded by trees, the views create a sense of privacy and peace. The design remains minimal, with soft textures and warm tones enhancing the feeling of restfulness. Natural light during the day and soft ambient lighting at night transform the room into a serene retreat. Closet. The closet is clean and well organized, designed to support a clutter-free lifestyle. Storage solutions are simple yet effective, allowing everything to have its place. The space feels intentional, aligning perfectly with the home's minimalist philosophy. Bathroom. The bathroom continues the theme of simplicity and tranquility. Natural materials and soft lighting create a spa-like atmosphere. Clean lines and open space make the room feel larger and more relaxing. It's a place where daily routines become moments of calm and reflection. Office. The office is designed for focus and inspiration. Positioned to take advantage of natural light and forest views, it creates an environment that feels both productive and peaceful. The simplicity of the design minimizes distractions, allowing creativity and concentration to flow naturally. Library. The library offers a quiet, introspective space within the home. Shelves, seating, and soft lighting create an inviting atmosphere for reading and reflection. Surrounded by the stillness of the forest, it becomes a place where time slows down and every moment feels more intentional. Patio. Stepping back outside, the patio extends the living space into the open air. The deck wraps around the home, offering multiple perspectives of the forest. It's a place to enjoy fresh air, quiet mornings, and peaceful evenings. The simplicity of the design allows nature to remain the main focus. Backyard. The backyard blends completely into the forest, with no clear boundary between the home and nature. It's a space that feels limitless, encouraging exploration and connection with the environment. The natural terrain, plants, and trees create a setting that is both wild and calming. Backyard sunset, ending shot. As the day comes to an end, the forest transforms. Soft golden light filters through the trees, casting long shadows and warm tones across the home. The interior glows gently through the glass, creating a beautiful contrast with the dark exterior. It's a quiet, cinematic moment, one that perfectly captures the essence of this retreat. Thank you for exploring this peaceful forest home with SephiaSpaces. A place like this reminds us that true beauty lies in simplicity and connection with nature. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay inspired with SephiaSpaces.